Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop annoying people from interacting with your Instagram. So if you guys didn't know, there is a feature on Instagram where you can limit interactions from a certain people. So if you feel like you're being bullied or harassed, you can easily turn this feature on, so you can temporarily limit interaction from certain groups of people on Instagram without them knowing. So in here, to activate that feature, what you need to do is just go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then just scroll down until you find this section how others can interact with you, and there will be this limit interaction, so you can click on that. And here, this is the feature, so you can temporarily limit people's ability to interact with you through messages, comments, or tagging. So when you limit the accounts, their new chats and comments on your content will be hidden, and they won't be able to reply to your stories, tag or mention you, or remix your content. So you can set a certain of time to limit interaction from those people, up to 4 weeks at a time, and only new chat threads with accounts you will limit will be hidden. So when you choose to temporarily limit interaction from the recent followers, so there are two options in here. You can set what will be limited by clicking on this. If you want to go only with some interaction like comments, or you can just click on this, but if you want all of the interactions to hidden, you can just click on most interactions. And here you can also choose who that you will be limit on your Instagram. You can choose between these three options: accounts that don't follow you, the recent followers, or you can choose to limit everyone but your close friends. So let's say I'm going to just go with recent followers, but when new people follow your Instagram, uh it will selected as the limited interaction, so they comment also will be hidden. So when you limit interactions, the accounts you choose to limit can still comment on your posts and reels, but their comment will be hidden. And any new chat threads that this account create with you will be moved to the hidden request folder in the message request. And you can also choose to ignore or review these comments and messages, and the comments made by the limited accounts will remain hidden after you turn off this tool. So when you turn off this tool, comments from this account will be visible on your post unless you restrict or block them. So if you want to turn it on, just click on turn on, and if you want to turn it off again, you can click on this turn off. So this is the time you can see, you can set it up to 4 weeks. Okay, if you want to turn it off, just click on this button, so you turn off limits. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.